There are so many headphone choices. I've reviewed dozens. In this review, I'm testing out the Sony WH-1000XM4 over-ear wireless noise-canceling headphones. I'll take a look at the style and the comfort, what you get with your purchase, how long the battery lasts, and what it's like to use for all kinds of listening experiences, from music to podcasts, phone calls, and Zooms. I'll wrap things up with the pros and the cons and make an assessment about whether or not I think I can recommend these headphones for you. When you unbox the package, the first thing you'll see is the hardshell travel case. It's actually really thin and flat on both sides, making it ideal to slide into a bag. The back also has an elastic mesh pocket for storage. When you flip the case open, you'll see the headphones. There's also a dual-prong travel or airline adapter, an auxiliary cable, and a very short 6-inch USB-C power cord. A felted divider keeps the cords and accessories organized while also protecting the headphones, a nice touch. Let's get to the fit, feel, and comfort. The ear cups feel really well made, but they are on the flatter side. I don't have particularly big ears or ones that stick out, but the inside of the ear cups do come really close to my ears. Those with bigger ears might find these uncomfortable or annoying. The covering on the cups is quite soft and plush and feels neither leathery nor plasticky, just comfortable. When wearing the headphones, you can adjust the headband for a nice snug fit that doesn't add serious pressure to your head and your ears. In fact, if anything, I'd say these feel on the looser side when it comes to head compression. While I wasn't really worried about them falling off, sudden head movement did allow them to slip around just a little bit. Bear in mind that Sony designed these headphones for more casual listening, so they're not really meant to go jogging or exercising with, since the design also offers no waterproofing. Now, my preference is for a lighter and less constricting feeling with headphones, and also one that doesn't sound hollow or plasticky. I'd say this set of headphones actually checks pretty much all of the boxes. Moving on to the setup, there's only 2 buttons on the left ear cup, making things easy to operate and to keep track of the controls. Holding the power button on the left cup for a couple seconds will switch the headphones on, and it'll immediately enter pairing mode if you're doing this for the first time, as mine did. Pairing the headphones with your device is actually pretty simple. You'll just open up your phone's Bluetooth menu and tap to connect. You can use the Sony Headphones Connect app to configure the headphones. From the app, you adjust things like noise cancellation levels. You can assign a function to the physical custom button next to the power button on the headphones, things like toggling noise cancellation on or off or triggering your voice assistant. There's also touch controls on the outside of the ear cups, and these seem to work really well, and they're quite responsive. The very comfortable ear cups do also provide some decent passive noise isolation, but you're going to get the best experience by activating the adjustable noise cancellation feature. If you go into the app and look for the sound tab, when you turn on ambient sound control, it'll give you a slider bar so you can adjust how much exterior noise will get through. Now, I always test out noise cancellation both with some audio playing and without anything playing at all. Testing noise cancellation in quieter environments is actually a bigger challenge for the headphones, since if they don't hear anything to try to cancel out, it's actually possible to get more noise bleed in inadvertently. Now, I can say though that these headphones performed really well in all my tests. The noise cancellation quality is actually excellent and really allows you to create a true cone of silence. I tried listening to a variety of music and audio with the WH-1000XM4, including things like spa sounds, which is soothing and non-distracting while working, but I also listened to pop, rock, podcasts, and more. The sound quality on these is outstanding, as it should be. It is supremely well balanced. It's easy to pick out multiple layers of sound with these. The bass, if all settings are left to factory, is a wee bit maybe on the flat side, I would say, which you can adjust with the equalizer settings. You can also turn on preset equalizer settings like bass boost or the excited mode. The overall experience is full, head-filling, and super enjoyable, and it's going to be really tough to find fault with the overall audio quality. A feature I love in headphones is the ability to connect to 2 devices at once. While you have to toggle the setting on inside the Sony Headphones Connect app, it allows you to maintain connections to 2 devices at once, meaning you can connect your laptop and your phone and easily switch between them without needing to stop and reconnect. When it comes to the battery life and what you can expect, the WH-1000XM4 has about 30 hours of battery life with a full charge. If you have noise cancellation turned off, you can get up to 38 hours of runtime. I'm happy to say these also have fast charging, where 10 minutes of juice can give you up to 5 hours of listening. Now, all in all, this is outstanding, and while my short review period hasn't allowed me to completely run these out yet, the battery life so far seems pretty enduring. The headphones have an auto power off setting so that whenever you remove them, they'll turn off after a short period of time. These headphones allow you to adjust how they operate based on where you are, and this feature is called My Places. You'll register your frequent locations like home or work during the setup process, and then the headphones can automatically detect where you are and adjust those settings to each location. For example, you may want to be able to hear your family talking while you're listening to music at home, or conversely, you might want to block out colleagues using your noise cancellation at your busy open concept workplace. This feature will automatically adapt those settings, like I said, based on whatever your current location is. Another key feature of these headphones is 360 reality audio, which seems to me to be very similar to spatial audio in that it allows you to seemingly hear sound from more places around your head as opposed to simply being beamed straight into your ear canal. At the moment, this feature is only compatible with a handful of music apps, none of which I am currently subscribed to, so I wasn't able to test out this feature. The Speak to Chat feature is another really cool offering. If you turn this feature on, the headphones are going to listen for your voice and then automatically kill noise canceling so you can hear what's happening around you and talk to others. Now, the only downside I really noticed when I tested this feature out is that there is a slight delay when you first begin speaking before that ambient mode kicks in and lets you hear other people that might be in the room. And it does take quite a while after I finish speaking. I timed it out to about 20 seconds before the noise cancellation does kick back on. Now, not really a problem, but just something to be aware of. Despite having been on the market for quite a while, the Sony WH-1000XM4 is still a compelling buy. When it comes to the pros, the sound quality is great. The folding design and slim hard case make it really easy to travel with. The headphones are comfortable and light and easy to wear for long listening sessions. The battery life is fantastic, and the accessories it comes with are useful. When it comes to the downsides, it's hard to find a lot to crack on here. I could complain about the rather plain design, but for some people that's actually a pro. I think the biggest issue is going to be the price, and that it continues to stay high despite the launch of a newer iteration. Many retailers still sell the WH-1000XM4 at over $300, which in my opinion puts it too close to the newer Sony WH-1000XM5s. Even so, I think these are great for work from home or commuter headphones that you will be happy with purchasing. Even more so if you can find them on sale. Now, if you're not sure these are for you, you can check out some other headphones I've had the chance to review right now.